My name is Patrick Rashidi. I'm a data operator and quality control intern at Aerobotics. My job is to build and align imagery taken with drones and troubleshoot where automated processing failed. In simple terms, I'm part of the stitching team. I do testing automation on the AeroView front-end application. Then additionally, I also do quality control to make sure that a survey has been processed correctly. I joined Aerobotics on the 3rd of December last year. It has been 7 months of great work, and I gained a lot of insight. Well, when I joined Aerobotics, I wanted to learn more. So from my interaction with different people and the data science team, I understood that they are doing a great job using machine learning, artificial intelligence, of course. Driven by simple curiosity, I wanted to know what is artificial intelligence, what is machine learning. So I did basic research with the aid of online video. I got to know the basic of artificial intelligence, and then I understood some key terms like label, feature, example, model, training, inference. So I felt so exciting, and it feels so exciting to me. So I just wanted to go to the next level. Recently, Udacity and Facebook has launched a secure artificial intelligence and machine learning scholarship. Then it was just in order to advance deep learning and artificial intelligence skill in students. And first of all, I'm happy because I'm one among 5,000 recipients who are selected around the world. And only 300 of us will advance to the next level where we can receive the deep learning or computer vision nano degree. So the objective of the private and secure artificial intelligence will help students become more valuable data scientists and artificial intelligence practitioners by learning the tool to maintain user privacy and train smarter artificial intelligence model. They can also learn how to extend PyTorch with the tool necessary to safely and securely train the AI model on distributed and private data. They can also join a rapidly global community of artificial intelligence practitioners passionate about preserving user privacy. I enjoy being surrounded by passionate coworkers. The sincere appreciation that I receive not only from my supervisor but also from my colleagues help me to have a positive attitude and be more productive. I would like to be seen as someone with a deep perspective in deep learning setup, and I know that is something that I'll be able to do here at Aerobotics. In the near future, I would like to work with the data science team and take some responsibility and potentially take the lead on some projects.